I'm gonna focus on the sign because it's new. It wasn't here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I'm gonna focus on the sign because it's new. It wasn't here even like 6 months ago. I'm not sure when it came. I just kind of started seeing it, started becoming aware that, making itself aware to me just within the last month when I come by that it's here. But this is a nice tourist attraction for tourists because a lot of them will come down in this area and they'll be attracted to this ball right here. That'll be in a lot of pictures, especially in the evening when things are lit up and neon lit. And right now we're kind of at a bus stop. I'm waiting for a bus right now. I'll zoom in one more time. I love Macau. And this is the bus stop.